Hi partner, Kherk Roldan here. I'm the CEO and founder of Kherk Roldan Advanced Digital Solutions. This video is all about the onboarding form, okay? So after you made the payment, you will receive this onboarding form message and we will use the email address you used to subscribe, okay? So this is the message. Giselle is our project manager for this campaign. She's the one handling the specialist and also our clients here at Kherk Roldan SEO. So we will read this one. Please follow the steps below so we can start with our work. So number one, fill up the onboarding form. You need to click this one and it should look like this, okay? Please, I want you to fill up the necessary information for this field so that we can start our work, okay? Because without this onboarding form, we cannot proceed, we cannot start our work without this one. So this is very important. Number one, logo. So please add your logo. If you don't have it, we can grab it to your website. And if you have, please add the Google Drive link here. It should be public so that we can easily download it. We're going to use it for our campaign, for our submission, citation, and anywhere that we are needing the logo. We need also the full business name, the address, phone number, city, state, zip code, the website, the business email, the information for your GMB, the website login. So the website login, it should be correct, okay? Because there are people who sending us the website login information. It's not correct, so it should be working. Very important so that we can also do the on-page SEO, the technical SEO, and the other stuff as well. Hosting details, this is optional, but if you have the hosting login or information, then you can also add it here. Social media profiles, so if you have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest, you can add it here. But that is also depends on you. If you don't have Instagram, it's fine with us. But if you have, we really appreciate it. The keywords, so we added primary keyword, the primary location, and other keywords. So this is very important because if you want to get ranked for that keyword or for that phrase in your location, so we really need it. Please add your competitor website here. Google Search Console. So if you have the Google Search Console, please grant access to our email, SEO login information at gmail.com. If you know how to use it, or if you don't know how to use it, we have some guide here for you to follow on how you can share access to our email. And also the Google My Business. So we also added here our email. And if you don't know how to share it, I added another guide here. Also the Google Analytics. So please share the Google Analytics to our email, the same thing. And if you don't know how to share the access, I added you a guide here how to share it. Please turn off the 2 steps verification for all your accounts so that we can easily access it without asking you for a code, right? Or if there's anything you need from us, or you have a question or clarification, you can add some note here, right? Now, the onboarding form is different for the services that you subscribe, okay? So for this form is for GMB and local SEO. But if you subscribe with another service, so we will send you the onboarding form for that specific service. Number 2, check your email address for project management access. Now, we have this project management dashboard that we are using for our clients. We are inviting you to our project dashboard using the email address you used to subscribe, okay? So inside our project dashboard, you can see our work, you can see our specialists. So check your email that you use, okay? Next, you can watch the welcome message. I recorded it for you. And also the onboarding form. This is the onboarding form video. Also the project management dashboard. I also explained there our process, how we work. You can click this link so that you can understand how we work together. All right, how you can ask the specialist the updates. You can also ask me there. Okay, So I hope you find this video useful. So see you on the next video.